Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Arsenal don't beat Spurs 3-1 for the 169th North London derby. Arsenal take early lead for 12 minutes as Emil Smith-Rowe bust net to make am 1-0. Then Auba can score for 27 minutes to make am 2-0. Then for 34 minutes, Saka make am 3-0. More everywhere just dey sweet everybody. Then for 79 minutes, Son can score consolation goal to make am 3-1 for Spurs. Na so the match take end though. After the match, Gilberto Silva come outside and post for social media say London is red, London is red, London has continued to be red. Everybody just dey happy, all Arsenal fans all over the world, everybody wearing the balls. Me say finally they show the match. Wey me and my guys dey discuss about the match for live yesterday. It just sweet my belly as we dey score. I just dey happy. My voice even cracked yesterday. Yesterday was very, very amazing, like super amazing. I was very proud to be a Gunners fan. Everywhere they play the match, we can see Henry and Daniel Ek when they come watch the match, and they dey very, very impressed. Even when Saka scored that third goal, everybody just stand up. Henry stand up and they give am standing ovation, like confirm, these guys are making me proud. Even Daniel Ek said, they look in future clubs, say this club now will be my future assets. I just scam put and make the monitor how things dey go, man. Yesterday was very, very nice. For familiar setting, so they call they ask Mikel Arteta say wetin dey sup with Granit Xhaka injury now. So Baba call dey talk say well for now, so we never really know because it's still dey early. But the thing no look very, very positive at the moment. Say now when the physios don't attend to the guy, they can't do some kind test. They will come outside, come tell us okay now like this. So but say as it be now, saying the fear because the way Lucas Moura take land on top Granit Xhaka leg, the thing can't make the leg. I don't know whether the leg twist small. But now when the physios don't reason am, now he go reason us. Oh yeah. For the media setting, they constantly ask Arteta say how the match make am feel. Now this one will beat our North London rivals, beat them 3-1, and they say Tottenham was on a big team. And as we beat them now, we don't enter 10th for table, don't they above them? So they ask how he make am feel. So Baba come dey talk say this thing, every team when don dey talk say the thing when they try to build, you don't dey materialize small. It never materialize fully, but small don dey come to pass. So then they trust the process when they talk things. Someone just chill, say things go rosy, no fear. Top 4, top 6, you not too far. So we'll just calm down. Even after the match, for media settings, they come ask Aubameyang, say, "Wetin dey sup now? Wetin come give na this turn around? This merry-go-round wey I just do now. After I don't lose na first 3, now come win the next 3. Wetin dey sup now? Wetin cause am?" So Baba come talk say after that Man City match, say reason the boys say, see, we no go dey lose the goal like this now. They do meeting, they come reason. Come talk say moving forward, we got a boss net, we train hard. You get if na extra time for training, we could do extra time, we could blend, because most of the team na new boys. You don't get like 5 new boys, and everybody they play inside the team. So we say we could do more training, we could acclimatize, we could bond with each other. So now moving forward with the boss net, and as they come do the meeting, all of them come agree. See they go dey defend together, they go dey attack together, they do everything together as one family, and they come dey work for them. So they dey very, very happy. Truly, the hard work is key. Monetary spirit now they come outside, they let us know say Arsenal board know the reason to sack Arteta anytime soon. So now wetin they don dey talk since we say trust the process. You get remember say Edu sef come outside before talk say make una chill now. The first game so first play, we get injuries, we get coronavirus. Now we say everybody don dey available for selection. If we come dey play rubbish now we go dey judge us. No be one we never even complete. Now come dey judge us. Say Arteta out, Edu out, Richard Garlic out. So make they calm down. Things go dey roses because as the board dey now, there's no reason to sack Baba anytime soon. Now them be the first people who even trust on the process, so that they call upon us say look, we also trust the process. We'll give them more time. If you watch that match after Arsenal win, outside Emirates, the fans they chant, everywhere just scatter. As in the fans were very, very happy. That yesterday, I sleep well in short. After the match, they come dey interview sports coach Nuno Santos. So Baba come dey talk say, make them blame am for the way they select the team. Say make nobody blame the players, say they no play well. People look at Moura sef come outside talk say the team lack control. Even Ilori sef they talk the same thing, say the team lack control. So Arsenal control them, override them. Well, that's how it always be. Even North London derby for Emirates, they hard for Spurs, no be today. So say they lose. Me, I know say they no fit win us now. They no fit win us. Now I won't be this. And they bad form, they correct form. Say they go chop am. So until you just be nothing concern we and them. They won't sack their coach Saka. We will go up. Almost still on the media setting, they call the ask Mikel Arteta say wetin dey sup between you and Aubameyang now, wetin don give this guy ginger. So Baba call the talk say with Aubameyang don talk one-on-one. So Aubameyang know wetin he expect from am, and the guy deliver. He lived up to expectations. So now wetin he wants as a leader, you need to lead all these small boys. You know, they guide them, they give them chances. Then say go replay the thing for you, so you go bust net. So now wetin make the guy dey happy. And you know say people dey talk say better start Lacazette. People like me say I follow talk am. Better start Lacazette, bench Aubameyang. So Baba said, I believe say go dey hear all those things. People dey read them from newspaper. So Baba said, say, Omo for this match, he die here. Baba can score your own goal. Even if Smith Rowe self score your own. Oh, very happy. Saka self hope they talk say okay, maybe they put Saka for Benjamin. Onto that's way happen for England. So maybe they affect the psyche. Even Ogamaglu self talk say the guy get psychological problem. But the guy can tell us say keep quiet, Mr. Chooks. What are you talking about? Baba can go bust net. Come make us very happy. At least we dey very happy. Give assist. I still bust net. It's what they find again. Or even Clichy himself don't come outside. Clichy will be one of our former players. Don't come outside talk say as Arsenal been and say Arteta can be the next Arsenal winger. You know say this football thing, football dey very funny. If you dey play woefully, maybe the team they play badly, they lose. Everybody different pundits will come outside. Some legends, some former players will come outside. Arteta out, and they made a mistake in signing Arteta. This and that. Now we say we don't win now. Win very well against a big opponent now. Person will win Man City to flog them like say tomorrow. No, they come outside and say it's going to be the next Arsenal winger. Which means we will keep him for the next 25 years. Human beings. Have been changed mouth like mad. At the end of the day, Arteta can't dedicate the win to the fans. Say the fans stand by them. Even though some people they talk say Arteta out. But at the end of the day, the way they support the team for Emirates, they chant, they happy, you know, make the atmosphere very electric. They're uncomfortable for Spurs and very comfortable for the Arsenal faithful. So everything just sweet. So in the dedicate them to all of us will be fans all over the world. Say we try as they support them, and as always we will continue to support them, whether they win or whether they lose. So that the unconditional love where they deserve, and be that. On my last, Tony Adams will be one of our legends. Come outside the talk say now only 4 players see for that match. We play very well, like very well. And he go call Saka, he go call Ben White, he go call Emil Smith Rowe, and he go call Odegaard. Say these 4 people, they really played very well on the night. But me, I go talk say all the team 9 play. If you call up these people, wetin you go come talk about Ramsdale, who they distribute, who they command in backline. Wetin you come talk about Tomiyasu. Everybody they talk about their own. Sure, everybody will play yesterday. There was no loophole, there was no flaw. Everybody played well. This is the first time in a long while. No go talk say this our Arsenal backline, no weak link. Nobody go talk say I won't go mark. Show you won't go. Now Ben White won't go collect ball for your hand. Now Gabriel Magalhaes, now Tomiyasu, she not Tierney. I mean our keeper go talk say the shit packer. Now for the defensive midfield, oh get Partey and Xhaka. Who you want talk say the weak link? So after I don't come out our forward, you see those defensive midfield, you see those backline. No nonsense and then they see the Shaolin Temple fight the fight yesterday between Son and Tomiyasu. Who win? Now I gently winner. Yesterday, but they just sweet me like mad. Well, thank God for the way we turn out. Now moving forward, our next match are Brighton, and those ones, they good die. They high up the table, but they go stitch up and no. But let them know say now will be gone now. So we take bazooka. I had their bomb. So my dear football lovers, I will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we sell our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us, and God bless you.